Just wait couple of minutes, it will come out itself. If I will try to put something in the bottom, it will start making lines, so I don't want to put anything in now. I will wait. It's coming out very nicely. So this is the best way to remove the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro and 7 Pro screens. No lines. I will heat up a little bit this side. So it's coming out. So this is the 95% of the work, to just lift from the bottom. All other work is very simple. That's the most difficult part. You have to lift this area without making any lines on the screen, because when the bottom has actually the most sensitive part which cause the lines. The others area, the like the sides, it's not like something which can cause the lines. It may cause a crack if you use something hard, but the bottom is more responsible to create lines in the screen when you try to remove a good working screen from the Pixel phone. So rest of the things is very simple, I think. So it could be little difficult from this area, but it's not very risky. Only risky part was the bottom. If you don't have this part, this machine, or you can use something which you can control, like suction, like you can make a controllable lift. If you are using something just with a handle and you are pulling it up, there's a chance that it will pull everything out and damage the flexes, and all this front part will be in your hand, and that will cause a problem. So try to use this one, or if there are some machines which you can control the how much it can lift the bottom, not like something with a handle and you can pull it completely. work with patience, no need to worry. Screens are crazy expensive for these phones, so if you are doing this work, like I want to do the charging port solder on this phone, so if I will damage the screen, then it will be very expensive to fix the screen. And so that's my 95% of the work is complete. Now I will just take the motherboard out, and then I have to solder the charging port, because this charging port is not a plug and play or replaceable part. It has to be resoldered on the motherboard. So I will do the rest of the things, like remove all the screws and take the motherboard out and then do the solder work. The screen is perfectly fine, no damage to the screen.